I am so excited for today's video. I'm launching my very first Business on a Budget series, and we're talking all about how to start a business on YouTube. So today's video is just an introduction, and I'm going to go through all of the items that I will be discussing through this series. All right, now just briefly, let me introduce myself. My name is Chenye, and I am a business startup strategist, and I use my 10 years of corporate finance and strategy experience to teach people how to start and grow their business, even if they have little to no budget. In my current series, I'm teaching folks how to start and build their business on YouTube. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get started. As of right now, as I'm filming this introduction, I have 18 videos planned. I know that's a lot, but I want this series to be in depth. This series was specifically requested by someone close to me, and she wanted something that was very detailed. So I want to make sure that I give her exactly that. Now, this number is not set in stone. As I'm doing my planning, I'm realizing that some of the videos may need to be broken out into completely separate videos, given how much material I need to cover. So I will give myself a little bit of grace if I go over that 18 count, okay? So the reason why this series is going to be so long is because I will be covering not only how to make the actual videos for YouTube, but I will also be going through how to create a full content strategy around your YouTube channel. So that is ideal for someone who is literally starting from scratch. You don't know what your niche is. You don't know what content objectives you want to have if you do know what your niche is, or you need help with your content pillars or coming up with a consistent flow of content ideas when you're creating your videos. I will also be covering what to do after you've created your video. So many people rely solely on the algorithm to help push their content, but there is so much more that you could do to help drive traffic to your videos and your channel as a whole. So I'll be covering that as well. I will also be covering how to start your channel. So many videos really start with the creating the video part, but they don't even actually cover the how do I create the actual channel part. This may seem intuitive, but some people, like myself, I know I'm a very analytical person. Some people really want to see what the channel startup looks like, what YouTube looks like on the back end, and what they can expect when they first start. So I'm going to be covering that as well. And finally, I will be talking about monetization strategies. So we all know about the AdSense revenue and what you need to do to hit that goalpost, but there are so many other ways outside of that YouTube monetization that you can monetize your audience, and you don't need to wait to hit those benchmarks in order to take advantage of them. So in that video, I'm going to be talking through those different strategies, and I'm even going to talk about my passion pathways and passion perspective method when I'm coaching my business clients who want to start a business doing what they love, but they don't know where to start. As far as the actual process of creating YouTube videos, I'm going to walk you through the planning process, and I'm going to have a video dedicated specifically to how I script my videos so that it doesn't take me forever to film and edit them. This is going to be a game changer for a lot of folks because I know how challenging, demoralizing, and time-consuming the editing process can be. So in that video, I will give you the tips on how to prepare on the front end during pre-production so that it helps you on the back end when you're doing production and post-production. And if you don't know what any of that means, I'll go through that as well. So that's everything that I'm going to be covering in this series. I will also be creating a YouTube 101 playlist so you don't have to go searching for all of the videos. I also fully intend to drop these videos every single day so that it doesn't take 5 weeks for you to get the next video in the series. I also have an ebook available on my website, which covers even more information that I just don't have time to cover in these videos. It's just $27, but it's over 200 pages of content and worksheets and handouts to help you build your content strategy and start your channel. While you're over there, go ahead and sign up for my emails as well. In those emails, I will announce all of my new series and ebooks so that you can stay up to date on everything that I've got going on. I personally hate spam emails, and I'm also a team of one. So if there's one thing I don't have time for, it's to compose lengthy emails every day telling you about absolutely nothing. In all likelihood, you'll probably be getting a monthly or bi-weekly update depending on what I've got going on. So you definitely do not need to worry about me spamming you or your email. My next video series is going to be all about how to create a t-shirt brand right on time for the upcoming holiday season. That's the type of email announcement that you would most likely receive from me. So again, if that is the type of content that you want to stay up to date on, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date on everything that I've got going on. here at Business on a Budget. And also make sure that you go ahead and go sign up for those emails as well. Finally, I have a ton of other helpful gems planned for my other social media platforms, so you can check me out on TikTok. So go ahead and grab that link in my socials down in the description box below. All right, thank you so much for watching.